I'm Rohini from India, and I'm here at the 7th Learning Conference for Dignified Menstruation on World Dignified Menstruation Day. And I had a great experience here. Learned so much from so many different people, and what I love the most about the conference is how diverse the experiences it captured, from decolonizing dignified menstruation to bringing in perspectives of trans men and non-binary menstruators, and also bringing in perspectives from so many different country contexts, from African countries to India to other South Asian and Southeast Asian countries. So it truly is such a moment of international solidarity, and truly so much learning has happened here that I'm so excited and so energized after this conference to put all of the learnings in action and to collaborate more.
Namaste. I'm Jada from the Philippines, and at the conclusion of the 7th learning conference, I have met a lot of people, and I can't wait to collaborate with all of them, especially the friends that I've made, and also to put in front the intersectionalities related to dignified religion. Thank you so much.